Who doesn't love getting Amazon packages? So I'm kind of like an Amazon junkie. Hey guys, it's Stella and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I'm always on Amazon. I'm always like, ooh, I need that? Okay, let me go on Amazon. Wait, is it on Amazon? So I thought I'd share with you guys my favorite things that I purchased on Amazon recently and things that I've been my all-time favorite Amazon purchases. All right, let's start with this guy first. This has been such a great purchase. So these are basically gummy vitamins. Let me show you here. Oh my gosh, they smell like gummy bears. So Bart hates to swallow vitamins. So I found these like multi-vites Vitafusion gummy vitamins, and these have been a lifesaver. I just set these on the counter and Bart will actually take his vitamins in the morning. They're actually like really good. Oh, you're supposed to take two. I'm gonna take one more. Especially formulated for men as well as the regular ones. Okay guys. One of my all-time favorite Amazon purchases is this. Okay, it's a little embarrassing, but it's really such a great purchase. It's for women. These are Nipple Ease. This is the brand here. Like a few years ago, or a year ago, I was at my bachelorette party and my best friend had these and I was like, ooh, those look good. And she's like, yeah, they're reusable. They're like silicone. They basically just come right off like that and then you stick them on. These are amazing. Like I always tell people, like these are a must for summer and spring whenever you're wearing a spaghetti strap or anything where you can't wear a bra. These are the best thing. I've literally had these for over a year and they are so great. Guys, my next two favorite purchases on Amazon are these two gold rings. Guys, I turn green so easily if I wear like costume jewelry or something that is not real silver or real gold. I just turn green immediately. So I was looking for cute little like kind of stackable rings that wouldn't be like crazy expensive. And I found these are actually the Amazon brand. I normally wear one in the middle. So these are the actual Amazon brand and I have absolutely loved these little rings. I've had them now for probably like 6 months and I have not turned green and I normally wear them almost every single day. They're just light, delicate little rings and they go really well with my other jewelry. I always mix and match like rose gold, regular gold. Sometimes I wear silver. So I love these little rings. These have been such a great purchase off Amazon. Guys, I have talked about this guy here in so many vlogs, so many videos. This always makes my favorites. This is a GoStack and I use vitamins in it, but you can use protein, chia seeds, powders, fruit, nuts. You can do so much with this guy. This is one of my absolute favorite things to travel with. I love that it comes apart. So you can take, like, maybe you just want to take this today, or maybe you just want to take this. And it also opens very easily. And I just love this because I will put this on my countertop and take my vitamins for the day. And then if I'm like, oh, I'm going on a work trip or I'm going on a trip, I'll just pick it up, drop it right in my suitcase. And then when I get to the hotel, I put it out there so I remember to take my vitamins. This is probably one of my favorite all-time Amazon purchases ever. Next, we have this. This is a recent Amazon purchase that I just discovered. This is Healthy Hoof. So if you guys have like brittle nails, dry cuticles, your nails like crack, this stuff is amazing. This is basically intensive protein treatment for your nails. It's not a lotion, even though it kind of looks like it might be a lotion. It's not. It's like a cream and you just put it on your nails to make them stronger and moisturize. And I have really bad cuticle beds and nails are always breaking because I wash my hands so much in the plane that I think it really dries my hands out. So my mother-in-law actually told me about this and I ordered it immediately and I'm loving it. I'm loving this stuff lately. So since we are on nails, I will talk to you about this. This is probably my second all-time favorite Amazon purchase. This is Sash Vite. Okay, I'm like looking like, how do I pronounce it? It's Sash Vite. I use it so much, it's like probably very hard to see the name. So this is basically a top coat for your nails and it's a rapid drying, so it dries very fast and it gives you really high gloss. And I've used this probably now for maybe 2 or 3 years. Anytime I do my nails, I always have a bottle of this and this stuff is amazing. I just really feel like it dries my nails really fast after I polish them and it leaves them really glossy and shiny. So if I'm not going to go get a manicure and I'm doing my at-home manicure, this is what I use for the top coat. All right, next guys, we've got these Mr. Pumice bars. These are so awesome. This is what they look like. So I keep these guys in the shower and I use these pumice bars on my little feet probably about once a week. Sometimes I forget and Bart touches my feet and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go see Mr. Pumice. Guys, these ones don't get icky and nasty in the shower like some of my old pumice bars that were like stone. Always got like just real nasty in the shower after a while and I was like, I don't want to put those on my feet. These are awesome and I would say one of these bars lasts about, I don't know, like 2 months if you use it once a week, and they never get gross in the shower and you'll start seeing it'll kind of like start in like an indentation and that's when you know, okay, it's getting too soft and you need to switch it out. But I bought a 4-pack of these for like under $10. So it's really good value. All right guys, this is my next new favorite thing that I've recently purchased. It is a clear PVC handbag. Yes, it smells like a little bit like a beach ball. So I have a clear thing in here right now, but it is just a clear handbag. I watch a lot of luxury YouTubers like unboxing handbags and what are the newest trends in handbags. A lot of them have been using this handbag for going into summer and spring, and I will show you what it looks like full. So guys, that is what it looks like with stuff in it. I think for summer it is just so cute and fun. You can wear the strap like this. So it's like over your shoulder. You can also pull it through. So it's like that. I think this is just so much fun. I think for like baseball games, football games, if you're going to the park, if you're going to the beach, I think this bag is so cute. And it's been all the rage on the luxury YouTubers channels. So guys, I did purchase actually 2 of the bags. This is the bag in silver. I also purchased it in white. And I thought, well, I guess I probably don't need 2. So I thought, you know what, I'll just do this one as a giveaway. I still have it kind of packaged. I don't want to take it out of this because I don't want to ruin it. I want to make sure it gets to one lucky winner safely. So all you guys have to do if you want to enter to win this is comment down below that you want to enter and leave your Instagram name. And in a week from the day that this is posted, I will go on my Instagram and I will select a winner and I will personal message you. So make sure you're subscribed to me there as well. So this is the white one. And this is what it looks like when it's full. Yay, so excited you guys. So my next favorite thing here are these Ray-Ban sunglasses that I just got. I love these. I'm sure I'm probably so late to the trend, but I just thought these were so cool. They're shaped like circles. I think they're so trendy, vintagey. Can you guys see the ring light in the background of these? And my windows, they're all around me. I love these. I was like, saw all the reviews and kept like seeing these in pictures, and I was like, okay, can I pull that off? And I think I can. I love these things. And this is in the gold, and I forget, I think this is the green gray lens. And my last favorite thing that I have purchased off Amazon is this hanger. And this holds jeans. Right now I only have 3 in there. But this has organized my closet so much better. I don't like to fold my jeans and put them in my drawers because I think they're very bulky and they take up a lot of precious drawer space. So I found these on Amazon, and I think I got like a 2-pack, and I hang all my jeans on them. They've been so useful and handy, and Bart was so jealous. He's like, I want some. I'm like, okay. All right, guys, those are my absolute favorite Amazon purchases recently and of all time. I hope this helps you guys. Don't forget, if you want to enter the giveaway, leave me a comment down below and leave your Instagram name, and I'll pick a winner in 1 week. So excited to pick a winner, you guys. And then you have to take a picture with your bag and tag me so I can see what it looks like on. So those are my Amazon favorites, and I will see you guys next time.